Today I'm in Malmo, Sweden, making another short video for my YouTube channel. Malmo is a nice coastal community in Sweden. Here you will find the central station, the train station, which is easily accessible to many of the great sights. Also, you can rent a bicycle with your credit card for just around $8 for the day. Over here you will find a nice pedestrian area where there's many bars and restaurants. Of course, you can see the great bicycle paths that run throughout the city. So I'm turning, you will see where the University of Malmo is located, right here on one of the many bodies of water throughout the city. Malmo, Sweden. A great place to visit, easy to access with your Eurail pass.